inappropriate colour use, visual clutter and unnecessary decoration reduces audience perception. So how can Peircean semiotic theory help designers and illustrators to improve your visual communication skills? How can semiosis reduce these three noisy bad habits to enhance our audience's perception and interpretation? Well, in semiosis sign action, how a designer or illustrator begins to visually represent things in their work impacts directly on the effectiveness of how the audience will perceive. Adding too many visual elements in the hope that some of them will do your visual communication work for you, and only focusing on an aesthetic for aesthetic's sake, both are counterproductive. How designers and illustrators can reduce these three noisy bad habits to improve the audience's perception is down to your choices of semiotic representation.